Get it close. Let's double check that 2-inch rip. Dynamite. Dial it down 1/8. Down 1/8. What? Let me double verify it. Get it back up on the side and set. Head to the house. Head to the house. You got enough room for another ripper. Give me another one. 2 inches. 2 inches off the foundation. Curtis. Take it down a little bit. Right there. Like that. We gotta get more confidence in our measuring stick. But you got enough to pass that stopper. You got enough. Not on my side. Will it hit your side? I measured it already. You got 4 inches. Your side good? Go ahead, I'll let you know. Uh-oh, what, you attacking the damn bees?
No,
Sawdust?
yeah.
God, any damn suggestion how we can avoid all this salt? Where's your goggles?